Hey guys, it's Eddie here from Dilleen Property. Today we are doing a video and I'm answering a question that a person basically emailed us through, and they asked this question. They said, where are the strategy sessions or consultations held that you do with clients? So where are they and when are they held? And I thought I'd jump on and answer this question, as a lot of people do ask this question. What and where we have basically our strategy sessions and what they are, that's basically the first step to get started with us here at Dilleen Property, as we're a full service property buyers agency. What a strategy session basically is a one-on-one consultation with myself, where I sit down with a client and basically outlines tips and strategies and I guess investment ways in which I've grown my own property portfolio, which I've been featured all over the news, Channel 7, Channel 9, all over the media for growing my own property portfolio to 14 plus properties by the time I turn 26. So a strategy session is really for someone that wants to learn how to invest in property and grow their own portfolio. So we touch on very important things such as finance, what I've learnt about finance in terms of getting a loan for a property and continually being able to grow a property portfolio sustainably without getting stuck at just one or two properties, etc., like most people do, as well as looking at different structures and how to buy properties. Should you buy them in trust structures or companies or your individual name, or there's lots of other ways to do it and different ways to go about it. Also with different strategies, looking at different property markets, so where to invest. There's lots of different states and every property market's doing a different thing at a different time. So there's Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, the Gold Coast, Perth, and Adelaide, etc., etc. So there's all this information out there. So it's really outlining key facets of property investing and my journey of how I grow my portfolio, and pointing someone in the right direction of how they can get started in property investing and maybe get their first few properties and continue moving forward from there. Or if they've already got a property or a few properties, how to really expand that and grow that and move forward without getting stuck. So it's a one-on-one consultation with myself. It's not financial advice by any means. It's just strictly guidance from myself with growing my own property portfolio. If you want to check out a little bit about my experience and what I've done over the years with growing my own portfolio, please check out some of our YouTube videos, or you can just Google my name, Eddie Dilleen or Edward Dilleen, and you can see a little bit about my past experience. So, to jump right back to it and answer the question, where are the strategy sessions held? You can do them one or two ways. You can do them over the phone with myself or via Skype, and they go usually between 45 minutes to an hour, or you can do them here in the office, and we're located about half an hour drive from Sydney CBD. So if you would like to book a session or get in contact with us at all, or if you have any questions at all, just send us an email at admin@dilleenpg.com, or you can give us a call and chat to one of our team members or myself on 1300 833 118, and I look forward to chatting to you soon. Thanks guys, bye.